Good day, children! Today, we're going to read some word families. Are you ready? Let's start! Let's start with ab family. Ab. Ab family. Ab. Cab. Ab. Crab. Ab. Drab. Ab. Gab. Children, it's your turn to read. Very good. Cab, crab, drab, gab. Ab, grab. Ab, lab. Ab, nab. Ab, tab. Your turn to read. Very good. Grab, lab, nab, tab. Read it again, children. Very good. Add family. Add. Add family. Add. Bad. Add. Dad. Add. Glad. Add. Had. Your turn to read. Very good. Bad, dad, glad, had. Add. Lad. Add. Mad. Add. Pad. Add. Tad. Your turn to read. Very good. Lad, mad, pad, tad. Read it again, children. Very good. Ag family. Ag. Ag family. Ag. Bag. Ag. Brag. Ag. drag. G, ag, gag. Repeat, children. Very good. Bag, brag, drag, gag. Ag, nag. Ag, rag. Ag, tag. Ag, wag. Repeat. Very good. Nag, rag, tag, wag. Read it again, children. Very good. Am family. Am family. Am cam. Am dam. Am fam. Am ham. Your turn to read. Very good. Cam, dam, fam, ham. Am jam. Am ram. Am spam. Am yum. Repeat. Very good. Jam, ram, spam, yum. Read it again, children. Very good. And family. And family. An can. An fan. An man. An pan. Children, your turn to read. Very good. Can, fan, man, pan. An plan. An run. An. Span. An. Tan. Repeat, children. Very good. Plan, ran, span, tan. Read it again, children. Very good. App family. A, p. App. App family. K. App. Cap. L. App. Flap. G. App. Gap. App. Map. Read it again, children. Very good. Cap, flap, gap, map. App, nap. T. App. Tap. T. App. Trap. Z. App. Zap. Repeat. Very good. Nap, tap, trap, zap. Read it again, children. Very good. At family. A, t. At. At family. B. At. Bat. K. At. Cat. F. At. Fat. At. Hat. Your turn to read, children. Very good. Bat, cat, fat, hat. At, mat. P. At. Pat. At. Rat. S. At. Sat. Repeat. Very good. Mat, pat, rat, sat. Read it again, children. Very good. Well done, children! And that's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you've learned something. Children, now that you've learned from our today's video, don't forget to like, share, and click the subscribe button. See you in the next videos!